Mustangs. I've gotten a few messages from you guys saying that you couldn't access the Google form for our assignment today. And we're going to use Google Forms, Google Docs, Google Slides a lot of times. And so we need to figure out how to do this so that we need to figure out how to fix this so that we don't keep having some problems and getting frustrated. So first things first, when you log into Rapid Identity for AISD, this is just logging you in so you can use all these different apps. You have to make sure that you're logged in to your Google Drive, your school, with your school email address, which your school email address is the first 5 letters of your last name plus your student ID number at student.aisd.net. Okay, so even though you're logged into Rapid Identity, that doesn't necessarily ensure that you're logged in to Google. So the way you can check this is to pull up a tab on Google. Google Chrome works best with Canvas, so go ahead and use that. There's a couple of ways that you can verify that you're logged in. First, you can click on your Google account profile picture, and it will tell you that you're logged in, like I'm logged into my school account. If you're logged into your home account, like if you're using your home email address or you're on your mom's iPad or something like that, you can manage your Google account. You can add another account, okay? And then that's where you add your school email address, your username, first 5 letters of your last name, plus your student ID number at student.aisd.net, okay? Another way that you can make sure that you're in your Google Drive is to click on your little waffle here, your little 9 square, and click into Drive and make sure that it says Arlington ISD up here and it has your your email address. The other way that you can do it, probably the easiest way that you can do it, is when you go into your class. You'll notice over here, it has Google Drive right here. You can click into Google Drive from there, and it may force you to put in your school address. Okay, so those are 3 ways that you can make sure that you're logged in to your school address for Google. Okay, and if you're not, you just need to click on your profile picture and change accounts. If you're getting a screen that says login, authorization needed, that's what you do. Go check those things, get logged in under your school account. One last thing. The best way, if you're using a school Chromebook, the best way that you can avoid this is by logging in under Add Person. In the lower right or left-hand corner of your screen, you should have something that says Add Person. Choose that, and then it will force you to type in your username, email address to get into the Chromebook. Because you have a Google Chromebook, that it's going to automatically log you in. If you go through the big AISD star in the middle of the page, that's logging in as a guest. And then you'll have to go and log into Google eventually. But if you just log in with your school email and school username under Add Person, you can avoid that hassle. Okay, I hope that helps. If you're struggling, please remember, reach out to your teachers so we can help you.